What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all had a very Merry Christmas. We are wrapping up the year with our final haul to complete 2023. We have some awesome finds, some Christmas gifts kind of mixed in here as well. And also I was able to finally get out all of the packages and trades that I owed people. So thank you guys so much for just being so patient with me every single time. The holidays is by far the hardest time to catch up and send out stuff like that. So again, thank you all so much. But of course, with my luck, the very next day, the trading cards came in. I think we have about 60 of them. I think 50 or 60 I ordered. But this was the feature from Mustang magazine with Ruby on it. And then of course, when you flip it over on the back, I am the 194th owner to make a trading card. So a lot of people are actually trading from other owners. I might be doing the same thing, but I will also be sending these out as well. So like I said in the beginning, guys, as we wrap up 2023, we found some really good stuff over the past holiday week. But if you haven't checked out my latest episode, I kind of did a quick recap of what to keep your eyes out for. Like I said, here are the things that we got in the collection. We finally got the last team transport I needed for the series. It's the Mad Mike Mazda RX-3 in this beautiful orange metallic. This one is probably my second favorite. The first one is definitely the Pantera. I love that car in real life as well as the casting. I think they did a phenomenal job. You also have the R35. There is a packaging error or variation to the packaging where that hauler is actually backwards. Well, actually the doors are backwards. So you'll actually have the reverse lightning bolt with the 23 on the packaging side. It's not a variation, it is just an error in putting the hauler together. So this one is the final one I needed for the set. And of course, you already see we found all the 2-packs out of this series. You have this beautiful 73 BMW 3.0 CSL race car, which has been a beautiful release over the past few years. But you have the M Sport colors and livery on there with the 42. And then followed up by this beauty, the BMW 320 Group 5. Check that out. Another beautiful 2-pack, 2 Beamers. Absolutely love these. I think this one's probably my favorite, the Group 5. I love the wide body on it. Next one is this one. I wasn't expecting to ever catch this, but it's the 73 Holden Monaro GTS in this beautiful pearlescent orange. Got some nice wheels on there. The details are just immaculate. Of course, with the premium 2-pack, you're going to get all those features. And then, of course, this one, you have the 77 Holden Tirana A9X. Check that out, man. That thing is awesome. Definitely love that 2-pack, man. And then this one, I figured I would never catch this year. But my buddy Zach hooked it up. He stashed it for me just in time to get out of work and go pick it up. But we have the Lancer Evolution 6 in blue. You got the white 10 spokes, beautiful casting. Matchbox did a phenomenal job. Hot Wheels did another great job on this one. And of course, the red Eclipse, guys. Check that out. Got the black 6 spokes, black wing. Just, man, that thing is awesome. Finished the full series of the 2-packs for the car culture. So I am stoked on that. Next up, we have a 5-pack from Matchbox. This is the MBX Japan Cruisers. And it's got the beautiful 71 Skyline 2000 GTX with the Japanese nostalgic car livery on there. And I think that thing looks super cool. Then you got the pink metallic Civic Type R. The thing is awesome as well. There's a lime green one that comes in the Hot Wheels 20-pack. I'm just debating on whether or not I should spend the money and get it. Then, of course, you have the Subaru WRX Impreza with the police livery. Love this one as well. It looks like a 2007 maybe. I don't know. I forgot which year those headlights started. I think it's 07. Then, of course, you have the white Mazda 3 with the black wheels. And then finishing off with the Toyota 4Runner. Definitely a cool one as well. But I think the top 3 are the main reason why I got this. So keep your eyes out for that. The Japan Cruisers is an awesome series. And then we also picked up the Adventure Force of the 55 Chevy. Check that out. This time you have it in red with the white. The previous one was a metallic orange and white. And just wheel swapping this casting is just a night and day difference. So definitely grabbed one of those. We also scored some new Matchbox. We have the Holden VF Commodore SSV. We got the Highway Patrol livery on there, chrome 5 spokes. Front details are freaking awesome and on point. And then the taillights, I don't know. I think the rear looks a little washed out on the trunk, but I think overall the car itself is super cool. Next up, we did find 2 of the 84 Toyota MR2s. I did find both variations. You have this beautiful blue metallic, super heavy in flake. This is the right-hand drive, headlight down, and this is the left-hand drive, headlight up. So there are 2 other variations, and every colorway that has come out has 4 different versions. Headlight up and down, right-hand drive, left-hand drive. But I gotta say, this blue metallic, man, that thing looks so good. Next up, we have another blue casting from Matchbox, the Mercedes-AMG SL63 convertible. And I love the new wheels they put on there. Check it out. That is an awesome wheel setup, man. And I love that they put it on this casting. The card art looks phenomenal. I think they did a really good job on this. We also have the blue Porsche 911 Cabriolet. And that thing looks awesome as well. Chrome 5 spokes. I mean, every time they do a Porsche, man, it looks really good. Next bag, we scored an M2, and this one is the 68 Mustang Custom with the Pennzoil livery. Check that out, man. That looks so good in just black and yellow. I think they did an outstanding job with this one. I did have to open it and take it apart because the door was loose. So I actually had to tighten down the screw that was in there, but this is going to be opened and displayed anyways, so I wasn't too concerned on that. And then next up, guys, the Walmart exclusive Porsche set, the new silver logo. Check this out. We got the Porsche 935, beautiful blue metallic. It's kind of hard to see, but there is flake in there, and I love these new 5 spokes. And I love the satin gold. And then, of course, here we go. Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. And this actually has the new Fuchs wheels. Very, very cool. I love the black with the chrome lip. They are really, really dialing in these wheels. And this one right here, guys, the 71 Porsche 911, also with the Fuchs wheels. You got this beautiful pearlescent orange. And this one right here is metal on metal. I think the red Cayman is also metal on metal. Yep. So both of these are metal. This one actually has a plastic base on there. So I thought the full silver series or the silver logo series was going to be metal on metal. But I think 2 out of the 6 cars is a plastic base. The other ones are metal on metal. So either way, guys, these are going to be some really good premium wheel swaps for you customizers out there. There are 3 more to catch. It is the Porsche 356 Speedster, which I love that one. Got the 89 944 Turbo and the Porsche 914-6, which, like I said in the 2024 video that I did, that one was originally going to be placed in the boxes at a random assortment, but now it is just a full series of 6. So there's no chase for the Porsche set. All right, and then last bag right here, guys, we got the new Jeepney recolor, the Road Bandit. Check that out. It's out of the Hot Wheels Fast Transit. This is the 5th colorway of this car, and this is B-Case for 2024. Got this blue metallic, orange interior, chrome base, and the RA6 wheels on there. Definitely love these. So anytime I see one, I pick it up just because of the Philippine Jeepney. Next up, we got the Porsche GT3 RS from Majorette. This is a beautiful yellow. I originally had this one and I traded it away for the green fastback for the pink slips, and then I ended up finding another one. So I'm glad to have this one in the collection. This color looks great. I think the lime green one is still my favorite. You have that one, and then of course you have the pink pig, which was also a heavy hitter, but this yellow looks great. Love the black accents, black hood. And yeah, so there we go. Majorette's putting out a lot of great Porsches. We have a new one, new color release from Hot Wheels. This is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 out of the factory fresh. And look at that. Just well done. Love the vibrant yellow. You have the Carrera and Porsche tampos on the back, the sides, and of course the headlights. But yes, another B-Case Porsche. Then next up, we have a new recolor. This is going to be a custom. I just love the color scheme they did on this. You have a nice turquoise with silver metallic. And of course, you have the staggered wheels. The Steely's in the back, PR5's up front. This is out of the Hot Wheels Modified, the Lolux pickup. Another B-Case find. And here we go. We got to the premium Big Air Bel Air, the only one in this whole series I cared for. You have the Toyota Land Cruiser, you have the 4Runner, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, and the Range Rover Classic, which is also the Chase, or is it the Toyota Land Cruiser? I can't remember. You guys comment down below. I'm pretty sure it's the Land Cruiser that's the Chase. But this one, this is freaking awesome. Love the color setup. The details, this thing is just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, and then next up we got the new Proton Saga, the Compact Kings. Now this isn't my favorite car. I actually do want to wheel swap it. I'm not a fan of it. I just thought it was kind of unique and cool and of course a nod. But it is new for 2024. You got the aero discs on there. I'm not a fan of the squared fenders. I don't know. I got to see what the car actually looks like. But yeah, I want to put some really nice wheels on it and kind of make it look a little better than it does currently. So last two guys, the Porsche 959 hauler. Check that out, man. Gosh, that looks so good. I love the white on white with the red and blue stripes. Just a beauty. This thing is so heavy, man. So heavy. Of course, you do have the 33 wheelies out of this set. I did leave that one unpegged. I don't want to collect those type of hot rods. But this one right here is probably the favorite out of the three. It's the Mercedes CLK GTR in silver. You got the silver 10 spokes, black hauler. This thing is just, oh my gosh, that thing is nice. I've always been a fan of this car ever since even I was a little kid. I had a few Mastos, Matchbox. I even have a couple Hot Wheels of this one from mid to late 90s. But man, it is good to see this one as a premium for the Team Transport. So here we go, guys. This is what we are wrapping 2023 with. We have the beautiful 2-pack with the Evo and Eclipse. You have the Monaros. You have the two BMWs and the Mad Mike RX-3. The Japan Cruisers 5-pack. Got a really cool 55 Chevy. Awesome Matchbox releases of the MR2, the Porsche, Mercedes, and of course, the new Walmart exclusive Porsche set. I just need to find the other three and I will be satisfied with it. I do have a loose 935 right here because this one actually came in a damaged blister. But you can see the metallic flake in this one much better. But check that out, man. God, that is so nice. I love those wheels. They did, man, they did a phenomenal job on those. But a lot of stuff to add to the collection, open up, customize, race, and all of that good stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one was your favorite, which one you hope to find. And of course, that is all we got for 2023, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so you don't miss out on new content, new races, and peg hunts, and all that good stuff. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.